Welcome to our meditation channel, a space dedicated to your well-being and personal development. In today's video, we will explore a guided meditation specifically designed to increase concentration and mental focus. We understand how challenging it can be to keep a calm and focused mind in such a busy world. So, take a moment for yourself, find a quiet and comfortable place, and join us on this journey of self-discovery. To begin, find a comfortable position. You can choose to sit in a chair with your spine upright or on the floor with a cushion. Make sure your posture is relaxed yet alert. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to calm. Let's start with a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or worries you may be feeling. Focus fully on your breath, feeling the air entering and leaving your body. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you. Observe the flame dancing gently and let it become the focal point of your concentration. Focus on the shape of the flame, the colors, and the way it moves. Let your mind cling to this single object, letting go of all external distractions. As your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to the flame of the candle. Notice how your mind becomes calmer and more focused on this focal point. With each breath, you feel more present and focused. Now, let's shift our focus back to our breath. Observe the flow of air entering and leaving your body. Feel the gentle movement of your abdomen rising and falling with each inhalation and exhalation. As you concentrate on your breath, let go of any thoughts that arise and always return to the sensation of your breath. It is normal for thoughts and distractions to arise during meditation practice. However, don't worry about them. Acknowledge them gently, and then let them go, bringing your attention back to your breath. Do not judge or become frustrated, as this is a natural process. Now, let's add a counting technique to our practice. With each inhale, count mentally 1, and then count 2 on the exhale. Continue like this until you reach 10, and then start again from 1. This counting will help keep your mind focused and ward off any intrusive thoughts. As you continue counting the breath, notice how your mind becomes still. With each number, you feel more present and immersed in the present moment. Maintain your focus on the rhythm of your breath and the sensation in your body. Now, imagine yourself sitting by a tranquil lake. Observe the calm surface of the water, reflecting the blue sky above. This image represents the serenity and clarity of your focused mind. Feel at peace and connected to the stillness of this scene. As you focus on the lake, allow any worries or anxious thoughts to flow out of your mind. Visualize them dissolving into the water, leaving you with a sense of tranquility and focus. Let yourself be enveloped by the serenity of this moment. If at any point you find yourself distracted or losing focus, remember the image of the lake and bring your attention back to it. Let the calmness and tranquility of this place help you restore your concentration and mental focus. Now, visualize a beautiful flower blooming before you. Observe as each petal unfolds slowly, revealing its inner beauty. Like this flower, you are opening yourself to a deeper level of concentration and inner focus. Allow yourself to flourish and expand your mind. To further strengthen your concentration, create a personal mantra that resonates with you. It can be a word or a short phrase that represents focus and determination. Repeat this mantra mentally as you focus on your breath, allowing it to amplify your power of concentration. Remember that mental focus is a skill that develops with regular practice. Set aside time every day to connect with yourself and enhance your concentration. The more you practice, the more efficient you will become at keeping your mind concentrated and focused in all areas of your life. As you gradually return to awareness of your surroundings, carry with you the sense of clarity and focus you cultivated in this meditation. Let these feelings remain with you throughout your day, helping you face any challenges with serenity and presence. I wish you a day filled with concentration, focus, and tranquility. Remember that inner peace is within your reach. All you need to do is dedicate time to nurture your mind and spirit. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share some additional tips to enhance your concentration in daily life. Remember to avoid multitasking. Set specific times for important tasks. And eliminate unnecessary distractions. Regularly practicing concentration meditation will complement these strategies, enabling you to reach even deeper levels of focus and mental clarity. Thank you for sharing this meditation moment with us. If you enjoyed this practice and wish to explore more guided meditations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive new content that promotes your well-being and personal growth.